Hey friends, this is Taylor of Vanquest, and today I'm going to talk about my EDC Toolkit. Our organizers have an endless amount of uses, and we've seen many customers create very impressive kits, whether they're for survival, tech items, or just general EDC gear. One of my favorite uses is to make an EDC Toolkit. A basic EDC Toolkit lets you keep some simple tools on hand to handle quick fixes around the house, the office, or while on the go. There's a few organizers that excel in this, but for me, my compact kit and my daily driver has been the FTIM 5x7. I've been using this thing for about a year as my EDC toolkit, and I'm really happy with it. So let's dive into all the stuff I keep inside. So in no particular order in this thing, why don't we start with what's on the tongue here on this maximizer webbing. So the first thing I keep is a Leatherman. This is a wingman. I've had this for a long time. It's nice to have just an extra tool. I can pass this to someone if I'm working on something with another person, just a good backup. I also keep a Work Pro in here. This is a utility knife, really small, compact, and has a pocket clip. Great to have an extra cutting tool. I also keep a lighter in here. You never know when you're gonna need some fire. And then I also keep ear protection. Sometimes things get loud. I wanna make sure my hearing is okay. So now, as you can see, there's a lot of good organization here in the main compartment. Again, no particular order. We got some electrician shears, stuff that I don't want to use my pocket knife for. I'm going to use that. I got a machinist screwdriver. This is both Phillips and a flathead. A Streamlight Stylus Pro. Working in the dark is not fun, so having a flashlight's very helpful. This is a little pry bar, a little Dasco pry bar. This came in a pack of like 4, and this is the smallest one. So I like having one of those on hand. We got 2 pairs of Knipex pliers, Knipex, however you say it. This is the pliers wrench, and then these are the Cobra pliers as well. If you've been looking into EDC toolkits, these things are all over and they're really great. I also have a precision screwdriver with extra bits inside. And then last but not least, we have a little ratchet set here. This has all kinds of cool bits, tons of different things that you can use for loosening or tightening whatever hardware it is. It's a flexible head ratchet. It's got an extension. And then to complement this, I also have in this pouch some extra sockets and backup bits as well. So that's everything that lives inside the 5x7 for my compact EDC toolkit. So ultimately, a toolkit can be as minimal or comprehensive as you need it to be. But for me and the way I carry my gear, this works very well, and I can handle a number of different tasks with all this gear while keeping a very compact and small footprint in the 5x7. Since 2011, Vanquest has built the toughest bags and packs for everyday carry to help you stay organized and prepared. Check out vanquest.com for more details. We really appreciate you guys watching, so if you found the video helpful, consider liking and subscribing, and as always, comment below if you have any questions. We'll see you next time. Thanks.